What's the deal? So today, as you told the title, we're just gonna be passing out free 3Ds and New Leaf. So yeah, as you can tell, I got like a lot of 3Ds on me. So let's get into it.
It's me.
Passing out free 3Ds. What's the deal? Passing out free 3Ds.
I'm not in one. I'm a civilian.
Passing out free 3Ds. Who wants one?
I'm not a thug like you guys.
Hey, come
I'm not a
on,
thug, bro.
Passing out
I'm
free.
not a thug, bro. Hold on.
Passing out free 3Ds. Who want one?
No, both y'all come here. Both y'all come here. I gotta tell y'all something.
Passing out
What's
free
up, thug?
3Ds. Who want one?
What's up, other thug? What's up, thug?
I come over.
YN. What's up, YN?
Y'all want a gun?
Yeah, make it good.
I do.
Here.
I do. Yay.
Oh, you abusing your panel.
Yay. You're giving guns. Yay.
I didn't get a gun. I didn't get a gun.
Yeah, I got you one. Come here. I got you one.
Drop the ammo box. Drop the ammo.
Man.
I don't have no ammo box.
I got quadrillion ammo, my god.
I got 9 million ammo.
I got 9
Million is
quadrillion.
crazy work.
I got 9 quadrillion ammo, my gun, bro.
I can't drop the gun because it doesn't let me. Like, I only have 3 of them.
All right, here's all 3Ds I have. Nobody pick it up if you already have a gun.
I got my first pipe. Where am I? Dead.
Bro, it's not letting me pick up the gun.
W-Mans, though. Bro, W-Mans.
Here,
Come here,
I'm gonna
drop
pass
me
to
one,
you.
drop me
Here,
one.
I'm gonna pass to you. Here. Come here.
Yeah, pass it to him.
Here.
Bro, let me get one.
And the problem is, I can't even pass my pose because I can't.
Tell
Here.
me you got 3 poles, gang.
Yeah,
That's
but
I have 3 and I can't pass.
he has 3 poles, bro. He has 3 poles.
I only have like.
Let me get one.
3.
Hold on,
Let me get a pole.
Alright, what's up?
Bro, y'all back up.
bro. I'm gonna shoot all of y'all. If I don't back up.
Yo,
Back up.
Like,
Oh, come right here.
Hold on.
It's on the ground.
hey, bro, let me get a pole.
But you already have a gun.
Bro, didn't he just say back up, bro?
Bro.
I don't know if you meant to drop this, but I'm not. Oh,
Come
you
here.
get him?
Come here. He's gone. Alright.
You dropped your switch over there.
Ayo. Hold on. I'm
Pass it to
trying
me.
to give it to you, but like. Here, I'm gonna drop it. Pick it
I
up.
don't know. He right there?
Is that him?
I'm pretty sure. Oh, I got it.
You got it? Alright.
Yeah, boy.
Where big bro at? Where the big homie at?
Bro, I swear, bro. Like, this is the last time, bro. Like, honestly, bro. Like, I'ma honestly start killing everybody in this GZ, bro. Let me buy that. Here, just have it, bro. I don't even want it.
That's a 3D printer. That's a 3D.
He's cooked. Let me get up on that action too. Let me get up on that action too. Let me get up on that action too. Pop that. stupid. Oh my god. What?
Can I get a fight tomorrow?
There you go.
Where?
Right there.
Appreciate you, Torn. Yo.
Yo.
Yo. You wanna see my dance moves?
Hell no. I'm
Huh?
sorry.
Wanna see my dance moves? Oh, yeah, let me see.
What you got? That's it?
Wait, is your user Mari? Hold on, you right here. Is your user Mari? No. It's Lanny.
My name's my display name is Mari.
They call me Lanny.
My display name is
You
Mari.
was a woman. Oh, nah, bro. You was a trans.
He just call you a trans. Ayo, go pop him. I got you a gun. Go pop him. Come here, look. Go
I
pop
got
him.
no ammo.
Oh. Well, then you're cooked. Why you call him a trans?
Why me?
Why you call him a trans? Hey, butter. Hey, buttermans, why you call him a trans? Why you call him a trans? Passing out free 3Ds. Who wants some? Passing out free 3Ds. Yep.
See?
Yep.
Yep, that was arcade.
Watch him. Oh, yeah. Yo, buttermans.
Yo, this me. You care if I get that gun again, please?
Yeah.
I got arcade.
You did? Okay,
You
come
can
here.
hand it to me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. Wait, what's your username? Isn't it Queso?
Nah, it's green light.
I gave it to somebody. I don't even know. Name's Greenlight? What's
Oh,
your,
nah,
what's your, it's what?
It's Rebound Man on the
I got you.
Good looking bleed.
You got
I
ammo?
finally got a gen. Nah, you can sell me ammo?
There's not how a game works. You gotta find the admin, which is not on right now.
Oh, for sure, bleed.
I got 9 million ammo.
I got a gun now, though. Want me to pay you? I got 3 bands.
Nah, I already have 1 million.
Oh, you rich. It's crazy. Y'all boys need to get VC.
1 million, he broke. Bro, says the dude.
Slide me some money if you got that much money. Slide me some pay, bleed.
I will kill you right now in this gas station, bro. Stop playing with me.
Who?
Him. Kill me? And watch how you get banned. How you gonna know my username, bleep? How you gonna know my username? I for real might change the title to just... I for real might change the title to just like arcane people. Cause like... This for real... is... pretty free 3D on the ground, and I picked that up. Make sure my gun reloaded.
Yo, bro.
Yo,
I'm just like, they're not big as you say.
crazy. Hey, where you from though?
Where you from?
Where you from? I asked first. I asked
Bro,
first.
where are you from? I'm from nowhere, gang. Where you from?
Why you asking for I'm from if you're from nowhere? Huh?
What?
Why you asking for where I'm from if you're not from nowhere?
Where you from, gang?
Bro, you said you're from nowhere.
I know I'm from nowhere.
Why you asking where you from if you don't bang?
Cuz he can. What you gonna do?
Cause like with some factions, I'll beef for them.
A civilian?
Huh?
A civilian?
Nah, I'm a plug and I got robbed by some factions.
Hey, this 180 mob, what's the deal?
Alright, y'all didn't rob me.
Bro, who arcade me? Hey, whoever killed me, bro, I'm killing back, bro. I'm already. Hey, say I won't kill this whole crowd.
Alright, I'm front too.
Alright, bet.
Hold up, bro. I'm finna, I swear, if you safe on one of them stuff, oh God.
Bro, shut up.
Look, we finna. Word?
Yep,
Word?
yep.
Yo. Bro.
Yo. What? That's a G40. Oh my God. I'm gonna call one of these suckers that I can watch. There he is. There's one of them. Come on, jump over this wall! Bro, yeah, I'm cooked. Alright, let me chill out. My health. You. Okay. I'm gonna give him a free 3D. Don't up a gun. Don't up a. Okay. Nah, for real, blocked white. Yo, bro, he just got laid. Oh my god, look at him, bro. He's still laying on the ground. So I think this is gonna end it off right here. I know this was like kind of like a video of like not role playing. It's kind of video like giving 3Ds out and Arcanic at the same time. But I should be starting a storyline on New Leaf soon, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, this is gonna be 2 videos out of 1 day. So hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna come in storyline in New Leaf's story. I'm gonna start role playing. So I'm gonna see y'all whenever I post, and hope you have a good day and see ya.